that's point number one. The second point is that as a country, India, at the moment at which we are in right now, it offers beautiful opportunities because there are so many technical aspects at different stages of the value chain, and so many technicians required at different stages of the value chain that needs to be catered to. The problem somewhere, what I feel is that most of the engineering institutions are trying to create technical managers, and probably the need or the requirements of the country for technical managers is not 15 lakhs, it's much reduced. Whereas you need a polytechnic level, employability to do a lot of activities. You have the infrastructure and the installed capacity, which I mean, all of you are here maybe better informed and better equipped to answer. Probably some of it can be utilized to, give polytechnic kind of training, which candidate will be far more employable in the industry. And God willing, if the manufacturing story kicks in India, which it has to, if India has to grow 8%, 9%, or 10%, I mean, if India has to achieve that kind of growth, then you will have a strong need for that kind of, that kind of employability. So probably the reorientation of the thought process also has to come from the entrepreneurs who are running, to see whether we should focus our energies on creating 15 lakh, technical managers, or should we also to try to create different, sort of trainers at different aspects of the value chain. So I think that's